All right, so it is first thing in the morning. I have a lot of animal print happening right now. I didn't really think that through. Cheers. Bringing back the leopard robe today. Comment down below if you've been with me as long as the leopard robe days. It's a long time, long time. Thank you if you have. It is so windy and freezing outside today. It looks like the entire world is about to blow over. All right, so today we're doing a fall transformation video. I did one of these for summer, but basically I'm gonna go through choosing my outfit for today. I already did my hair this morning. I had to like fully style it because I washed it last night and dyed my roots, hence why there's hair dye all over my face. But we're gonna pick out an outfit and then do a fall kind of makeup look. So for the outfit part of this video, it's sponsored by thredUP. Thank you to thredUP for supporting my channel. thredUP is the world's largest online thrift store, consignment store, and you can find amazing deals on there. I shop on thredUP even when I don't do videos with them. I've worked with them for a couple years on YouTube, but I am addicted and I go on there just to look and find things because you can get some friggin' amazing deals on thredUP. I love thrifting and I love a good deal. A lot of the clothes I wear on Instagram are from thredUP, so we're gonna go through. I found some really good fall clothes, you guys. I am so excited to show them to you. thredUP is offering you guys 30% off your first order. So I'll have that link down below right at the top of the description box, but the code is Taylor30 if you wanna get 30% off. So here's a little overview. You get cute polka dot packaging when you order from thredUP. I found 2 express sweaters, you guys. Some Abercrombie. This is brand new. It still has the original tag on it from Abercrombie. And then this coat I am so excited about. The thing I love about thredUP is that you can sort by size, brand, color. That's how I find the best stuff. Sometimes you guys ask me that, like in Instagram, you ask how I find things on there. And it is super easy to shop if you just save your preferences, because then everything that pops up is something that you could potentially wear. So that's how I shop on there. It makes it super quick and easy, and that's how I find good stuff. They also have thousands of new items going on every minute. So if you just refresh, or if you come back like the next day or something and keep shopping, then you usually can find really good stuff. You can shop on their website or on their app. So if you like thrifting, or if you just like a good deal, all this stuff basically looks like new. It's really good quality. They inspect everything, and I've never had something come in the mail from thredUP that I'm like, ooh, that doesn't look great. Like, it all looks pretty much like new, or it is new and it still has a tag on it. So let's try a couple things on and figure out what to wear today. All right, so here we have outfit number 1. I love this like super chunky sweater. This is from Express. The estimated original price on this was $50 and I got it for $16.99. $16.99 for a friggin' Express sweater, you know? And then these jeans I'm so thrilled about because I needed, why did I just say thrilled? I would never say that. I needed new black jeans, and I might even rip these ones. Like, I might cut something in the knee, get a little wild. But these are American Eagle. You guys know I love American Eagle jeans, and if you can find them on thredUP, you save so much money. The estimated original price on these jeans is $50 and I got them for $20.99. So next up I found this Abercrombie & Fitch flannel long sleeve. So fall. I love the color, the burgundy. I just have it tucked in. I usually like tucking in my sweaters or long sleeves, especially if you're short. It just makes your legs look a little bit longer so you're not like drowned out in a long sleeve shirt. But this was originally $58 and I got it for $13.99. I just think this one would look so cute with like a tan belt and even high knee boots. Ooh, with my tan over the knee boots, this would look really cute. All right, so this jacket might be my favorite thing I have ever found on thredUP because it fits me like a glove. It's like a light suede material. It's super comfortable. Literally like the arm length here, everything is perfect, and it is so hard to find a jacket this color that fits on my frame and that doesn't look like way too long. This is like perfect for layering in the fall. This would look cute with like a white sweater underneath or a scarf. Actually, wait, I have a scarf. Hello, fall. Okay, so all of this I got on thredUP. So the scarf was also from Abercrombie and it was originally $30. I got it for $9.99 and it is like a thick wool, good quality scarf. The jacket was from the brand Renamed. The estimated original price is $89 and I got it for $23.99. And then the shirt I have on underneath, this one was from Express. Another tip I have if you're shopping on there, if you know you like a certain brand or that a certain brand fits you really well, just search by that brand. So for a lot of this stuff, I searched by Abercrombie and Express because those are 2 of my favorites and I just think their quality is really nice. So the estimated price on this one was $30 and I got it for $11.99. All right, and then last outfit, this might be the winner for today. I'm kind of in love with this. I actually wasn't even picturing putting these 2 together, but then when I saw the colors in person, they go like perfectly. It's a separate vest with this sweater. The sweater was from Express. It actually has this really cool like zipper thing down the side. Estimated original price on this sweater was $60 and I got it for $14.99. And then this vest is perfect for the fall with either like a black long sleeve underneath or just with this outfit. I actually really love it with this. This vest is from Bandolino. It was originally 60 bucks and I got it for $15.99. Ooh, this outfit feels so fall. So I think we have an outfit winner. I want to do this one because I like this mauve color and I feel like I haven't done like a mauve-y kind of fall look. So I kind of want to do something with more pinks and purples for today's video. So this is the outfit I'm gonna go with. It is very hot, so I'm gonna take this off, put my leopard robe back on while we film the makeup, and I'll put back on my outfit before I'm ready to head out. But again, I'll have thredUP linked down below along with the 30% off code if you are new there and it's your first time shopping. I do have my sweater here for shade reference, but I put on kind of a similar colored one, but I'm going to be doing the makeup look based around this sweater because that's what I'm going to be wearing. It's just way too hot to be wearing this right now. So I have on my Thrives and Fall shirt. So this actually looks pretty cool tone. So I think I'm going to do like a mauve-y, chocolatey brown kind of eye look. So right now all I have on my face is the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. So I'm going to start out with the Dermalogica Hydra Blur Primer. This primer is so good though. I feel like it's totally underrated. Really nice smoothing all over primer. Actually, I don't know if that video will be up yet. I did an Ulta makeover video and the makeup artist used this in that video too, and she said it was one of her favorites. So I want full coverage today because I gotta cover up the hairline situation happening and I just want everything to be like really flawless looking today. So I'm gonna go in with one of my favorites, the Kokie Full Coverage Foundation. Did a whole review on this. If you missed it, you gotta go watch that one. I haven't tried this foundation with this primer yet. Oh, you guys, it is so frustrating when you get a new camera setup to get everything to look good because like it's looking beautiful in real life and then on camera I feel like it's looking totally different. So I don't know. I feel like I'm having the reverse effect that lighting usually gives you. Usually it makes you look better. Right now my face looks like full coverage and good and smooth in real life, and then on camera it's looking like super not. So I'm gonna use the Maybelline Super Stay Concealer again in the shade 5. I'm still kind of testing this to see what I think of it, but a little bit goes a long way and it's pretty tacky. Set in the under eyes. I'm trying a different powder combo today for my under eyes. Normally I mix it with the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet powder, but today I'm mixing it with the NARS All Day Luminous in Siberia. I always just use this Maybelline powder to lighten it. So then to set my face, I'm going to use that same NARS powder. For brows, I'm going to use a brow pencil, but I also want to add a bit of the Sigma Brow Gel. So first I'm going to go in with this. This is in the shade Dark. This one dries down very crisp. So if you don't like that, you wouldn't like this one, but I don't mind it. I just have been liking the color of this one. All right, so I want to try out this new Hourglass. Wow, that's very reflective. This is their new Ambient Lighting Edit Ghost palette. Pretty sure this is limited edition. They usually come out with limited edition palettes like this every year. Last year, I think it was, or the year before, they came out the Ambient Lighting Strobe palette, the highlighting palette, and that should be permanent. So I'm just going to go with the bronzy shade first. Can't even hold this up or else you're going to be blinded. Bringing this up to my forehead. I'm going to use a mix of this shade and this shade for my highlight. These are really subtle. I think these are just their normal, yeah, it's just dim light and diffused lights. Oh wait, they put in one of their strobe lights. I think it's the pinkier one. So the strobe light is like more of the highlight, and then their dim light powders are kind of like brightening powders almost. So I'm just mixing all three of the top shades basically. I do want to add a touch of blush, so I'm going to go in with this pink shade. I've been liking doing my blush last because I feel like it just ties everything together. Oh, I like that blush shade. That's pretty. I'm trying to finish off this bottle of Catrice Dewy Glow, so I'm going to add spritz of this if I can get it out. Hopefully. Hate when it does that. This fan you can get on Amazon, and it is the best $10 you will ever spend. I'll link it down below if I can find it. Prime using MAC Soft Ochre. Okay, so for today's eyeshadow, I think I'm going to use the e.l.f. Classics palette because there are some really pretty kind of mauve tones in here, and then you have a shimmery pink right here, Beloved. Keep in mind, I'm matching it not to this shirt. but to the sweater. So the tones are going to look probably a little bit off. So I'm going to take Uptown to start out. This palette is so beautiful if you have not tried it. I love it for just neutral matte eye looks. They blend out so easily and they just look really smooth. I don't know how to explain it, but they just work. What video was it where I was wearing the stripy sweater? Oh, the foundation update video. A lot of you guys were asking for that eye look, and it was super basic. I just used this palette and went in with like 3 of the matte shades in here and just blended them all. Super easy. So I'm going to take Charmer and actually put that all over my lid. I don't know why I'm holding this up like there's a mirror on it. So I'm just placing that color down and then I'll go in and blend it out. Using that same brush I started with nothing else on it, I'm just going to go in and blend. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Muse, which is kind of like a purpley chocolatey brown. And just kind of blending that on the outer third of my eye and then into the crease a little bit. These just blend so beautifully. They don't blend away, like the pigment stays there. It's going back in with Charmer and adding a bit more to the lid and kind of blending those two together. So I'm going to take the Beloved shade, which is this pink one. I might add in a little bit of Glamour, which is lighter, but also has like a pink tone to pop right here. I don't know if I want to spray this. The shimmers in here, like the metallic shades, are pretty subtle. So if you want to make them pop, you can always spray them, but I kind of like the look of just like a softer metallic sometimes. Ooh, that looks pretty on top of there. It almost turned into like a purple. Then I'm going to go right over top with Glamour, the lighter pink. I don't want to look like I have pink eye, and I feel like that's the vibe we're getting on the lower lash line, so I'm going to go in with Blanc, which is like a shimmery white shade. Actually, I'm going to use my finger and just add that to the bottom, just to kind of brighten it up a little bit. I'm debating if I want to go like full-on smoky for the lower lash line, or if I want to do something lighter, like a cream color. I think I want to do smoky, because I want to do like more neutral nude lips, so I think we're going to go pretty smoky on the eyes. So I'm just going to go with the black liner, line my waterline. This one is by Revlon. It's their So Fierce. And then I'm going to run it down below my lashes as well, because I'm going to blend that purple shade, but I want it to be a little bit smokier. So even if you don't have a black eyeshadow, or if you're not using a black eyeshadow, you can always run your liner down there just to give it a little bit more depth. And I'm just doing this really messily because I'm going to be blending. So I'm going to take the shade Black Cherry, which has a little bit of purple in it, but it's a little bit darker. So we're going to run that right over top of that eyeliner. Just kind of smudge it out. And then next I'm going to go back in with Muse, the darkish purple shade. Ooh, that got a little lower than I wanted. Then dip into Charmer. So because this one got a little bit too low, I'm just going to go back in with my powder and use this little highlighting brush and just kind of like clean that up down there and blend. I feel like I want a little bit more brightness towards my inner corner, so I'm going to go back with the highlighting palette and take this shade. This is the Strobe Light one. Just feel like we need a little bit of a pop right there. So I kind of want to try out this new eyeliner from Physicians Formula. It's their Precision Liquid Eyeliner Organic Wear. It's a super flimsy like brush tip applicator, so I'm not going to be doing a wing today, so I think I'm going to use this just to line my lash line really close in, and then I'm going to put on false lashes. Yeah, see, I just really don't like this kind of brush because it's super hard to control. So I'm not going to use that. I'm going to go in with, let's use a Sigma liquid pen today. Ulta was doing like a half off Kiss Lash sale, and you guys know Kiss Lashes are like some of my favorites. So I picked up the Garters pair. I don't think I've tried this one. So I'm going to pop these on and we'll be right back for lips. Okay, so sweater is on, lashes are on. I think it actually matches pretty well. A little bit toasty in here. So I think I'm going to go in with this Sigma liquid lipstick, and then I might lighten it up with this Bare Minerals gloss. This is in the shade New Mod. I want it quite a bit more cool tone, so I'm going to let that dry down and then add some Huda Beauty Anniversary over top. Hopefully that'll be a good combo. This is a really pretty like berry color, but I do want it more cool tone to match this look. Ooh, there we go. I want a little bit more of a highlight, so I think I'm going to try this Sparkling Peach by Lancome. There we go. Now we're talking. All right, so this is the finished look. so you can see what it looks like in natural lighting. I love this sweater with this like smoky eye. I feel like this is a good fall kind of look if you want something a little bit more cool tone but that still looks fall. Should I put on the vest? Let's do it. I'm gonna wear this outfit for some photos today. Then I want to get somewhere in the tan jacket too, so you guys will probably see those on Instagram. Actually, probably before this video goes up. But this is the final fall makeup outfit transformation. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna have all of the makeup products linked down below in the description box along with thredUP. Don't forget you guys can get 30% off your first order with the code Taylor30. But I love you guys. Happy fall. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.